Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Toyota Camry LE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 21,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city, and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cruise control and anti-lock brakes. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.